Hey guys, good day. How are you and how are you doing today? How has been your day? Alright, welcome to the third day of the free crypto class. My name remains Kingsley of the King's Crypto Academy, your number one crypto mentor. Alright, it's going to be another great day today. This is the last day of this 3 days free crypto class, talking about how to make your first million in crypto in the year 2024. And I've explained a lot of things. Day one, day two has really been amazing, talking about different things you can do on how to make money without even trading. That's what I explained on that was yesterday, and amazingly, yesterday one of my students chatted me up talking about how one of our friend made, I think, over $1,000 on airdrop alone. That's really amazing, just on airdrop. And I told you guys I'm going to be dropping some airdrop link so that I can get to get some free airdrops and make, no matter how change, once the coin is launched, you can tend to make money from it. I can tell you, people are making money from all these things on a daily basis, on a regular basis, time to time, and those are things you can do without trading. Why did I say without trading? Because trading can a little bit difficult or a little bit complex. Many of you have heard about crypto trading. All right, that's what I want to venture into today. Crypto trading. What are the kind of trading we have? How do we trade? Well, trading is very profitable and highly risky. Just like what I explained to you, the higher the risk, the higher the profit. The higher the risk, the higher the profit. So let's dive into it and see what we can talk about today. All right, day three, making daily money, trading crypto like this, getting a daily fund, daily sure income, trading crypto. Number one, I'm talking about is futures. Number two is sports. Number three is ETF. Number four, arbitrage, OTC, and DGen. So I'll just make a little intro and just expose you to what all this form of trading means. And I believe at the end of the class, you should be able to say, oh, confidently, this is what this means. This is what this means. You have a primary knowledge and you are set to make your first million in the journey, in the world of crypto. So let's go for that. How to earn actively in cryptocurrency. Number one is what trading entails: spot trading, futures trading, ETF trading, just like what I mentioned earlier on. So trading is all about buying and selling. The basic thing, sorry, pardon me. The basic thing we do in crypto is to buy and sell, just like what I explained in day one. It's basically about buying and selling. You buy, you sell. You either buy high, you sell low, or either of the case. So that's what we do in a nutshell. So now, what trading entails? Trading, you need to get this first. Trading is a business and not a gambling. And I think this is what majority of us really need to understand first and foremost when it comes to trading. Trading is a business, not a gambling. Some of us think, oh, when it comes to trading, what it means is that, oh, when you trade, you're, what's it called? You're actually gambling or you're playing bets. No, that's not what trading means. Trading is a business, not a gambling. This is what majority of the high brokers, big firm does on day-to-day activities, time to time, and make big money. Hedge funds, this is what they do. They basically trade. Trading is just like I'm finding the right English to use for you now to qualify this, but trading is not gambling. There's a difference between bet and all those things that you're playing and trading. So people say, and just like you're no, it's not gambling. There are different form of trading, different kind of trading. So trading is strictly what? A business about buying and selling, or selling, whatever the case may be, in your own terms, or the kind of trade you are interested. So in simple terms, trading refers to buying and selling of stocks, bond, commodities, currencies, or other financial securities for a short period to earn profit. The main difference between trading and traditional investment is the former short-term approach compared to long-term horizon of the letter. Now, let me explain. When I talk, yesterday what I did basically was explain to you how you can stake, all those things. So, the basic difference between trading and investment is that when it comes to trading, you are buying to hold for a short term. But when it comes to investments, you are buying to hold for a long term. Do you get my point? So, that's the basic thing. That's the basic difference in trading. Maybe I should use an illustration for you guys. My Binance is not on this phone, but let me just kind of on my hotspot connect this phone to my hotspot and let's see what we can do. Okay, I'm on the hotspot. Let me see if this. I just want to show you something on Binance, so that maybe that will be of help to you and can give you that kind of primary mindset on what trading entails. Let's hope the hotspot gets connected. Then we can open Binance. Okay. Although my account is not logged in on this is just a neutral what's it called? My account is not logged in on this. But let me just show you what trading entails with these so that at least you have a primary knowledge and you can say, oh, at least the class I attended it shows how trading works or what trading entails. I think the Wi-Fi, okay, it's connected now. let's try and refresh the page, or let me just make it vertically down so that we won't have any challenge navigating through it. I hope you are still seeing it, and everything is fine from your end. It's fine from my end here. I hope it's good at your own end as well. All right. So sorry, let me take this down a little. So this Binance, and this is a neutral Binance account. This is not a trading account. You can see nothing is here. I've not even logged in my details yet. So this is what trading means. For instance, now this Ethereum, I click on Ethereum now. This ETH means Ethereum, BTC as well. So this is Ethereum, for instance. And assuming now, I'm trying to allow it to load. Let me just show you some minor things where I think they will help your journey in trading. I think we have a network challenge. Sorry, pardon me. And the network seems to be fair. It's good. All right. So now, come and take a look at this. Should I on my assistive touch to help me so that I can show you what I'm... Okay. Let me just make it more practical for you today. Now that you're in this class, let me make it as much practical as I can for you. Assistive touch, let me on the assistive touch. That may help us a little. You know, one of the benefits of staying to the last day of the class is that you have access to some practical things. That you can say, okay, this is what King's Crypto mentioned, this is what KCA mentioned. Oh, now I have a clear understanding of what it is. So that it won't just be more of theory. You have access to the practical part of it. Okay, we are good to go. So my Binance is on here. You can see, just look at this cursor. That's the assistive touch to help me indicate what I'm explaining to you. Waiting for the page to the candlestick to come up. So this, for instance, now let's assume I buy this coin at this level right now. Are you getting me? At this down point here, which is 2,240, and I sell at this top here, which is 2,380. Are you seeing the price? So buying here now, selling here, I'll make a marginal profit, a very high profit, because I bought low and sell high. For instance, let's go again. Let's go to 1 day. This 1 hour. Let me go to 1 day candlestick chart. So on 1 day now, I even have an analysis here. I've done this analysis now, only God know when, and yet it broke out of the analysis. And since then, I didn't even know I have an analysis here. BT has been trading. I did it since on my analysis since here, and see what has been happening since then. So the assistive touch stop. God, I don't really have much time, but either we have time or not, this class must be done, and it must be done properly. Sorry, guys, pardon me. This is just normal advert popping up now. I just want to show you 1 or 2 things. So, see it here now. I started predicting that it's going to go up. Thank God I didn't even plan it. I just opened Ethereum. I didn't even know what's there. I just opened it. I didn't know that I've actually analyzed something on that chart initially. Alright. So see where I analyzed when it was really on 1.8 at this range. Between 1.7 1.8. And it went up to 2,700. 2,006 something here. Let me even confirm what the high it got to here. It got 2,700. I analyzed it between this range. When it was in between 1.8 and 1.6, that's 2,700, and went up to from 1.7 to 2,700. That's $1,000 profit. $1,000 right now is 1.5 million. So if I have entered the trade here and just bought one Ethereum at 1.7, I would have sell at 2.7. That's 1.5 million without doing anything, guys. This is the benefit of knowledge. So what I mean when it comes to trading is that you buy low here, you are ready to sell high. So it's about buying and selling. For instance, you bought here, you are selling here. But before you can buy here, you can see that I did a little analysis here. It's about the right knowledge. When you don't have the right knowledge, you can't easily predict when to buy or when to sell. So your knowledge is what gives fundamental, which gives you the credence to know the right thing to do at the right time in the market. So this is what trading is. This is what an exchange look like. All these things are tools we use for candlesticks and for technical analysis. These are other books here. People that are making order. These are people buying at the moment. These are people selling at the moment. You can see people buying this kind of Ethereum, 4 Ethereum, 43 Ethereum, 82 You can see people making order, bid, and buying and selling at the moment at the price. This is where you can place a buy, place a sell. These are different analyses on daily basis. These are my own personal trading. I didn't log in my account, so you may not be able to see how the exchange works. So trading is basically what about buying and selling. So imagine someone now that bought at this region. Now, someone bought here. This is what I told you the first day, that buying at the wrong time, it matters a lot. Ethereum is a very good coin that has a very high potential of rising. But if you have bought at this point, you'll be making losses instead of making profits. Can you see right now? Imagine you bought here at 2.7 here, then it goes to the peak of it, and now it's on 2,273 currently. See the current price here. So now you have lost more than $500. That's more than 750,000 naira. If you bought at least one Ethereum and hold. So you are making losses instead of what? Making profits. So in this case now, you must know the right time to buy. And that's the benefit why many people join the signal. So get that clear. Then let's go back to the main teaching, so that if there's any need, I'll come back there to come and show you one or two things. But for now, let's go back to our main teaching that we have for today, so that I'm just showing you an example of what trading looks like and how it really works. So that's what trading is. So, and the higher the risks, the higher the profit. The lower the risks, the lower the profits. So if you want high marginal profits, you have to take high. If you want high marginal profits, you are going to take high risks. You're going to get low profit, low risks. There is different kind of trading. We have spot trading, we have ETF trading, we have futures trading. Let me still go back. I'll go back to Binance and show you one after the other. So what is spot trading in crypto? Spot trading is crypto process of buying, selling digital currencies and token at current market price. The goal is to buy at the prevailing market price and then sell at a higher market price to generate a trading profit. That's what I just showed you right now. On my Binance, this restriction here, you bought low, you sell high. These exact thing I showed you on my Binance just right now. Let me show you again. Let me go back to my Binance and show you that. That's the exact same thing I just explained to you right now, that you bought low and you are selling high. That's what I showed you on Ethereum. That's how trading really works. So this is a typical example of spot trading. I'm buying. If I want to buy, I'll just click on buy here. But don't just make that mistake and say you are clicking on buy, you are clicking on sell. You have to know when there's something that brought this box you are seeing here. People could buy at this entry and sell here. So now, as I'm buying here now, this I bought low and I'm selling here. That's what called spot trading. You buy at a very low price and sell what? At a very high price. All right, guys, let's go further back to our class. And I hope you are getting the illustration. So these Bitcoin chart movements for the past, I think more than 10 years, for the past 12 years. Yeah, this October 31st represents a very critical moment in the journey of cryptocurrency. In the sense that October 31st always be the last day of the bull run of that month, of that year rather. That's the peak of the market, October 31st. That's when you experience the peak of the market. So now October 31st in 2010, a Bitcoin was going for $0.19. Fast forward to October 31st in 2021, one Bitcoin was going for $61,000, 396 kobo. Something that was less than $0.5 at this point was going to $0.96 here. I'm sorry, $61,000 here. So if you have bought at this point, you have made more than 30,365,380%. That's the returns on your investments. Do you get what I'm explaining to you now? So this is exactly how it really works, guys. You bought at a very low price and sell at a very high price. But on the other hand, can you hold it for the past 10 years? Imagine you bought at 2010, can you hold it to 2001 and 2021? That's more than 11 years or so of holding that same project, holding that same coin without selling it, without making mistakes on it. So that's where the challenge really is. Majority buy and sell. For instance, now imagine someone, let me use another illustration for you. Imagine someone that bought at maybe at a certain point. Let me look for let's use that 2021 and 2022. Imagine someone that bought that 2021 at the peak of the market. That's the 4-year cycles I was showing you on day one of the class. Imagine someone that bought at $61,000, and in October 31st, 2022, the market went down to $20,000 from 61 to 20. Now you would think they've scammed him. They didn't scam him. The current market price now of BTC, let me show you. Come and see the market now, the current price. These are things we need to get ourselves acquainted to. Let me show you the current market price of BTC now. But if you are sold at that 20,000, I would think they've scammed him. Currently, BTC as it stands right now is trading for $2,000. On his way back to that $60-something dollars, and possibly even heading further. We are trusting God like by October this year, we are going to be eating maybe $70,000 or $80,000 for one Bitcoin. So if you are bought like that, you think, oh, they've scammed me. I actually bought here, the thing went down. It's a scam. It's not really a scam. It's because you don't have the right knowledge. You don't have the right knowledge. That's the difference. So guys, so that's what spot trading is. Now let's go to futures trading. What is futures trading? Well, futures trading is just like, this is where people call crypto a bet. It's very high risk trade. Cryptocurrency futures are contracts between two investors who bet on cryptocurrency futures price. Like for instance, now I'm betting on, okay, this crypto now, this coin project is going to go to $10,000. How you getting? For instance, maybe BT is on $42,000, and I'm saying that, okay, between now and tomorrow it's going to go to $10,000. When it goes down, I make money. When it goes up, I lose money because my prediction was wrong. I'm predicting the future. That's why I call it futures trading. You are trying to predict the future of a particular project. And then sometimes it's going to go down. If it goes down according to your prediction, you make money. If it goes up against your prediction, you lose money. So in that case, you can short, you can long. Long means you are buying, you are saying it's going to go up. Short means you are saying what? It's going to go down. There are two functions there. Is that we are longing or we are shorting when it has to do what? When it has to do with futures trading. You are either longing or you are shorting, which means you are either predicting it going up or predicting it what? Coming down. So that's what futures trading is all about. You buy the asset here, see here, you sell, you are buying here, you are longing it, it's going up. You sell it here. Sorry, I have a call. Okay, sorry, just I'll attend to the person later. So you can buy and said it's going to go up, or you can sell and said what? It's going to go down. So that's futures trading. You're actually making what? Prediction. So you can see the long position here, the short position here. Alright guys, so 5 steps to start futures trading. I'm not able to go in depth and start showing you the analysis on futures trading. I may even get you confused rather than getting you what's good, rather than explaining to you, rather than getting you to understand, I may end up getting you confused because futures trading is kind of complicated. The next one we are not even done explaining, so it's kind of what's complicated. So this futures trading, these are the things you need to consider. Develop a trading plan. This one is very, very key. You must have a trading plan, find a trading methodology, learn about risk management. This is very key. Risk management is called portfolio management. I'm going to be talking about this at the end of the class. Develop a trading plan, know what works for you. What works for my trading plan is very, very strict trading plan. There are times I don't trade during the day. There are days I don't trade during the week. That's me. Have a very very, 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 very strong trading plan. So that's based on me. Then find a trading methodology that works for you. Trade responsibly. Don't overtrade. That's what it means. Trade responsibly. Just like when they say drink responsibly, one bottle, two. I'm not advising you to drink. It's never a good thing. So, but nevertheless, they will say trade responsibly and drink responsibly. When they say drink responsibly, they are trying to tell you that okay, maybe maximum one bottle, two bottle. I'm not advising you, but they are trying to do it responsibly so that you don't get what? Intoxicated. So also in futures trading, it's essential. You see these things here, they can help you make millions if only you follow these plans I wrote here. Find a trading methodology that works for you. Develop a trading plan. I have a trading plan. Currently in the office, I'm still working on a particular trading plan. Learn about risk management. Risk management is called portfolio management. Portfolio management is called money management. Risk management means, oh, maybe I have $100 in my wallet. I'm dividing the $100, $30 into my spot trading, $30 into. There's something I tell my students. I call it. Is it 3:3:3? 3:3:3:1. It's a trading strategy. Okay, divide this percentage into your spot, put some into your futures, some into what? Your funding wallet, so that you don't get what? To lose money. Then continuous education. This is primary, continuously learning. There's a lot to learn. There's a whole lot to learn, that you could what? Imagine when it has to do what? Trading. So then the other one I'll be talking about is ETF trading. What is ETF trading, guys? ETF trading is another form of trading which we make a lot of money from. ETF trading is called exchange traded fund. It's just derivatives owned by the exchange. It stands between the futures trading and the what's called a standing gap between futures trading and spot trading. Now, an ETF is a financial instrument that tracks. Sorry. Okay, I'm trying to check my time. I intend this class to be very, very short, maximum 30 minutes. I don't want it to be long as our previous class. An ETF is a financial instrument that tracks the performance of an underlying asset. You know what ETF just means? That they are exchange derivatives. They are not the real coin itself. You can see something like ETH up, ETH down, BTC up, BTC down. Let me show you an example here. You can see something like this. See this? I think this from what's the name of this exchange? This from KuCoin. This is how they used to do their own ETF. You can see a BNB 3 leverage. 3L means 3 leverage. EGLD 3L 3 leverage. SRP 1X. So this one leverage, FTM3 leverage, Dodge, you can see it here. So these what was it called? These are derivatives. These are called ETFs. ETFs. Now, what they mean is that they stand between futures and sports. Now, when you are buying on futures, whenever you long a coin on futures, they don't give you that coin to hold to yourself. You only long a coin. Your money is what you are using in an exchange. You are not giving a coin to hold on to. You are not giving an asset to hold on to. For instance, if I buy on spot, I'm giving an asset to hold. For instance, I might buy 2 BTC, I might buy 3 BTC, I might buy 1 Ethereum. They'll give me that 1 Ethereum to hold. I can decide to even transfer that Ethereum from that exchange to anywhere. I can do anything with it. But when it comes to futures trading, they are not giving you an asset to hold on to. You only use your money. Are you getting me? So, but when it comes to ETF trading, ETFs stand between futures or bridge the gap between futures and spot trading. And now this is exactly how it bridges the gap between futures and spot trading. ETFs stand in gap in between the two, in the sense that ETF, when you are buying on ETF, the only advantage futures trading have is that you can use leverage. You can have $10 now and be trading with $100. You can use 10x leverage or 100x leverage. That's your money. If you are using 10x leverage, it will be 10 times whatsoever you have. Are you getting me? If you are using 12x leverage, you like 2 times whatsoever you have, you get in that trading. So when you're using 10x leverage, you are using 10 times. That's why the X stand is 10 times what you have or as your trading capital. Maybe you're having $10, they can give you they can give you extra $90 because you're using 10x leverage. That makes them $100 to trade a particular coin. But the truth is, the higher your leverage, the higher your losses, the higher your profits. If the trade go against you, you end up losing more for that as well. I get me. Time and parameters are I've been showing you on the exchange how you can actually do this, but all those things are available in our masterclass, which I'll be talking about later on. You can go through everything yourself, get to study them, and find out how it goes. These are what's it called, ETF on Binance, and everything. So on ETF on ETF now, what happens is that you can use leverage, and yet, but the maximum leverage you can use, I think, is 1 to 3x leverage. You can use 1 to 3x leverage when it comes to what trading ETFs. But if you are trading ETF, any coin you are trading, they also give you the assets to hold. So you have the assets to hold, yet you still use leverage, but the maximum leverage is 3x leverage. They can't give you more than that, or depending on the exchange too. But Binance is 1 to 3x leverage. These are different, what's it called, on Binance, different ETF that you can trade on Binance. So that's how ETF works. If you don't understand, don't worry. Maybe when you get to the masterclass, you get to understand practically, just like what I did on Binance. I'll show you hand to hand everything on in the masterclass, which helps you to understand more better. So now let's go to crypto arbitrage trading. What's crypto arbitrage trading? Someone want to ask. Crypto arbitrage is just like the illustration I used to use when it comes to arbitrage trading. I said, okay, let me show you based on what's it called? Definition here. He said this is another form of trading that traders get involved in the crypto market and make massive profit. Arbitrage trading is a trading strategy which a trader buy and sell the same asset in different markets, profiting from difference in price. This seems to be the simplest definition you can get. It's a trading system, it's a trading strategy in which a trader buy and sell the same asset in different markets, profiting from, you are buying the same asset. For instance, now let's assume, maybe for those of us who are used to Lagos or used to Abuja, based in Abuja, for those who are used in Abuja, for instance, now imagine you bought something at Suleja Market. You bought some set of clothes at Suleja Market at maybe at 1,000 naira per pair or 2,000 naira per pair. You now take it to Use Market, which is in the main town of Abuja, or Gariki Market. You are now selling that same clothes for 5,000 naira. Now, do you buy another different clothes? No, the same clothes but different markets. So you are using the advantage that this market, it is cheaper there and going to sell at a higher price at that market. Same thing works on Binance. Same thing works on crypto. You can buy a coin. Sorry, I don't have Luno on this phone. I would have shown you. You can buy a coin right now on Luno at the higher you can buy a coin on on an exchange. Luno. For instance, you can buy a coin on Binance. You can buy this BTC on Binance for $2,000 and go and sell it on Luno for $60,000. Now, the difference there is that when you get to Luno, though they will charge you the charges fee and everything, the transaction fee, it may be higher, but no, you are still going to get something out of it. So that's what we call ETF, and that's what we call arbitrage trading. Arbitrage trading is basically buying at one exchange, are you getting me, at one market, going to sell at the other market in order to make profits based on the difference in price. So we have different form of arbitrage trading. Just like the example I use here, we have different form of arbitrage trading. This is a picture illustration of arbitrage trading. You see now at market A, this is the buyer here. I buy now. This the investor here. I'm the one here right now. Go to market A, buy this asset at market A, bring it to market C and B to sell. When I get to market C, B, I sell. Maybe I bought this for $10 here. I'm selling it for $20 or $15 or $12. Even after paying my tax, but I still have something left. But the higher the capital you have will determine the what, the more profit you can make from arbitrage trading as well. It's very sweet, it's very easy, but you must have a very huge capital. The higher the capital, the higher the money you could what make off the arbitrage trade. So that's how arbitrage trading works. And we have many people that do it based on USDT, even not because of Nigerian policy that make USDT very strict. At the point you are buying USDT at a very cheap rate from a platform, and we are come to sell it on Binance at a very high rate. So this is how we maximize, or this is how we play the market. This is how we play the market. So you buy here and sell low. There are different forms of arbitrage trading. I have a whole lot of a video on that on the masterclass as well. Details on arbitrage trading, all the things I've teach you from day one to the last day. There are videos on it, on spot trading, on futures trading, on airdrop, on crypto jobs. They are all practical videos on it, but time cannot permit us here in the free class to say all those things. And please, before I forget, please ensure you hit the subscribe button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the channel, either our Telegram channel, either our YouTube channel, KCA, either on Telegram, KCA. Please ensure you subscribe. Why do you need to subscribe? Whenever I release a new video, you'll be the first to get alert that a new video is being released. There are days that will just come and release coins to buy. Okay, buy this coin at so price. If I said buy this coin at so price and you didn't subscribe to the channel, maybe you'll be getting that video after 6 hours when I've released the video. So if you're not getting the video after 6 hours when the video has been released, before you get to the market, maybe we have even hit profit. We're already taking profit, and yet you are just coming to see it. So please hit the subscribe button, not for my good, for your good. When you hit the subscribe button right now, you get to get notification about the rich content, and so many rich content like this, about educational content, or trading results, so many other things, testimonial students, signals, and so many other, and offers that we even have time to time, which really what help you. So please hit the subscribe button. That will go a long way. And you can also like the video. If you like the video, like the video. If you like the video, press the like button. If you don't like the video, leave it. But I believe for you to avoid the video to this point, certainly you like the video, so press the like button. That goes a long way. Over the counter, yes, over the counter trading. What is OTC? There's something called OTC, over the counter trading. Now let me explain how OTC works for you. You know many majority of people that do this kind of trading, but you just don't know them. Now you just don't know that it's called OTC, over the counter or off exchange trading or pink sheets trading, whatever you call it, is done directly between two parties without the supervision of an exchange. Now, when let me explain now. It's something like P2P trading. For instance, now you want to buy dollar and I have dollar. I'm going to send dollar to you, but I can send it to your exchange or to your wallet without anybody interfering. She gets it's just between both of us. That's what we call P2P trading. On P2P trading, what we do is on P2P trading is that you might want to buy dollar maybe for you might want to buy $50, $100. When they ban us from buying dollar with our bank account directly in Nigeria, that was I think 3 years ago now. What we do is over the counter trading. So we do OTC. That's why you see guys like P2P that will post on their status. Oh, I buy BT, I buy Ethereum, I buy dollar. BNB, trade with me as my rate is low. All those guys, this is what they do, over the counter trading. Over the counter trading. So they do it and they make money daily. I know a particular guy who makes millions and have employers that have labor, I have workers working for him just on P2P alone. They have enough liquidity. But you could make also is depending on your capital. You can make millions from P2P trading alone if you can know the act of it. That was just about buying dollar and selling dollar. Buying at a low rate, selling at a high rate. So buying from those ones, for instance, now this is how they do it. If I'm selling dollar now on the OTC platform, if I'm selling through OTC now, if I'm selling dollar right now, you are going to be buying from, maybe you are the one, if you are selling dollar now, and I want to buy from me, I can buy at 450. I'll be 1,450. If I'm going to sell out, you want to buy from me, I want to sell out. I sell at maybe 1,470. I'll make 20 naira. So now calculate 20 naira times 1,000. Imagine how much I can make. 20 naira times $200. Imagine how much I make. So is that difference in price we capitalize our profit in? So it's about having enough capital that you want to say $1,000, I'm going to pay you immediately and buy from you. Are you getting me? Some guys have become millionaire during the rise of dollars. Just right now, between 1,200 to 1,500, some have maybe close to $4,000, $50,000, which they are ready to sell and people are ready to buy. Are you getting me? So that's what called over the counter trading. The third party is not involved, the exchange is not enough, it's not involved. It's just between both of us based on the level of trust. I have guys who last month bought more than 300,000 or 400,000, keep sending money to me to buy for him, to buy for him, to buy for him. So I was selling to him at another different rate, so more than $300, and only God know how much I made from that, because I have the USD at a very low rate. So we call that over that one. Now I'm not going to the market, but at least I was making what, a daily income. And there are guys that do these things day in, day out, day in, day out. I wish my account is looking on this Binance, or I've shown you guys that make money from this and how they do it. So that's that. So P2P exchange, P2P merchant, that's what we call the over the counter. That's an example of over the counter trading. Now let me talk about risk management. Oh, is it 30 minutes already? It's 30 minutes, and I intend to round up by 30 minutes. So let me quickly talk about, give me a few minutes to talk about risk management. Just like what I told you before, risk management is called money management, it's portfolio management, it's emotional management. Don't mind me, the word motion here should be emotion management. So ability to control your confidence after a major win and ability to control your fear after a major loss is what we call risk management. You must be able to control your confidence, and the only way you can control this, you see, if you don't have a proper risk management strategy, you tend to lose money properly. You tend to lose money continuously. So you must have a proper risk management strategy that guides your trading, that guides you, that gives you the confidence when you are entering the market. For instance, you sell pending orders, you sell limit orders. You don't just buy the coin at market price. Create a limit order. When the market comes to this price, buy for me. I'm expecting me after doing your analysis. Stop loss, take profits. They are all risk management strategy. Oh, I don't trade during the day. For instance, as the day is right now, I don't trade during the day. I trade mostly at night or very early in the morning. That's my own personal trading plan. If I have portfolio management strategy, I don't use all my money on spot trading. I don't use all my money on futures trading. I divide my portfolio. That's my personal risk management. Do you get my point? So you must have risk management strategy that helps you time to time in order to make money. So risk management, it's very, very key. It's very, very key. Find out, and you know what? Every loss you make in the crypto market leaves you with a lesson. So applying that lesson is what we call risk management. Because you've taken a risk and that risk end up in loss. So now you want to manage the risk against the next trade. Do you get my point? I entered a trade this morning, lost a little money, and like, but immediately I lost the money, I remember I told myself, oh, you just made a mistake on this. Why do I make the mistake? I didn't follow my trading plan. And the trading plan was there clearly, but because I couldn't follow it, I ended up making a loss. Now I have some pending orders to buy a coin at a particular price. Now, it's based on my trading plan. It says wait to this point, or to this price before you can buy. So ability to reduce your loss and increase your profit is what we called risk management. Yeah, I wish my Binance was logging on this. I would have shown you some of my profit over the years that I would make and make and make and make. But on the other hand, I'm always careful to improve my profits. It can be more dangerous. So now, mitigate risks, long-term return over the short-term gain, risk and reward ratio. You must calculate your risk, your stop loss. It must be lower against your take profit. Trading without stop loss is a big risk on its own. Risk management, control your exposure to price movement. Be very, very careful. You see, any trade you enter, and after you enter the trade, your heart is beating. You could not sleep at night. You could not sleep, your heart is jumping. When you are sleeping, you are dreaming of the trade. Close the trade, you are not fit for it. And there are many ways you can trade. Not necessarily trade futures, you can trade sports, you can trade ETF, you can trade all other forms of trading. Reducing your leverage size when you are trading futures is another form of risk management. Oh, this thing has gone up, must you buy that off? Wait, it will surely come down. Whatever goes up must surely comes down. That's the rules of crypto. Whatever goes up must surely come down. There's nothing that has gone up that will not come down. Whatever goes up must surely come down. So ability to manage your risks, and whatever comes down must surely go up. It's just a matter of time. But there are some that have gone down, I've never seen them again. So guys, just get to know that it will help you a long way. So common trading mistake people make, let me just rush through this as well, then I'll conclude at this page. Common trading people make: number one, no trading plan. When they don't have a trading plan, just like what I explained to you now, I have my trading plan, I have my trading strategy. Risk too much on one trade, on a particular trade. Don't risk too much. There are some trade you want them that they'll tell you 5% of your portfolio, 10% of your portfolio. Don't enter more than just risk little. But when you enter with all your portfolio, you end up losing all your money. So risking too much on one trade, giving into emotions. Emotions are in two categories. We have the fear, we have the greed factor. The fear factor says, oh, you want to enter a trade, you are afraid either I should enter or not, or the trade is already running on profit, you are afraid, oh, if this thing go back, the fear factor. Greed is already on profit that you should present, it will go up the more. So this emotion, you must be able to cut them, and the only way you can cut them by having staying tuned to your stop loss and your take profits. Don't exceed them. This is my stop loss. When you get to it, get out of the trade. This is my take profit. When you get to it, get out of the trade. So it helps you what? Manage your emotion. Over trading. One of our rule in our KCA is that we don't trade more than once or twice in a day. We don't over trade. Once it's more than that, you can't see me there. You can go and get signal anywhere you want. There are some of my a student of mine sent something to me this morning. Oh God, I'm not sure. Maybe it's here. Oh, I wish he's here. He's one of my forex students. Okay, let me connect my data, and possibly I just need to share that to you when I talk about over trading right now. Let me just check my other WhatsApp and let me check KCA. Possibly I'm going to find it there. He sent something to me. These are trading for this week, and what he has made on trade this week alone. He sent it to me. So let me just share with you. Just this week alone, what he has made from trading. I posted on my status. So what I'll just do right now is that I want to go to my WhatsApp on this phone. There's a WhatsApp on this phone, and from there, let me check if I can find KCA on that WhatsApp on this phone. If I can find KCA will be there, sure. I'm quite sure of that. So let me just. This is another different WhatsApp entirely logged in on this account. Let me just find KCA there and show you and just go through the status, because some of you, if I said you go and read my status right now, I don't know the time you'll be listening to this may not be on my status again, but let me just open this WhatsApp and share with you. I hope it pop up. All right, this KCA here. Yeah, this is the status I just clicked on here. So let's see if it has been updated to that point. I hope so. I really hope so. I don't know the last update it brought. I really hope so. Okay, happy new month. Yes, is there. Alright, see this guy. This KCA here now. This on my other WhatsApp. See this guy here. Made 53. See here. 53. See where this arrow went to. Let me drag the screen. See where this arrow went to. Let me hold the screen. You know what's up with your own problem. Oh God. Oh, WhatsApp I've started, and I don't want to go through all this process. Oh, really? Okay. And this is what I'm trying to avoid, really. Alright, guys, but I will get it for you. These are my students. Let me just flip to the down of the status timeline. Please don't mind me. I just need to. I want to really show you that, which I believe will help you a long way. Okay, I'm there back. You see, no, let me show you this one also. This from our A to Z class. See what some people make. This was just as at yesterday. See $5,715. You can see here. You can see $1,373. This is a PNL realized on a trade. You can see the down here $1,308. These are money people make on trade, not that. These are people making money directly on trade. But also you can compare their capital. When you look in between here, look here, look at their capital. The capital they are using to trade, this one is using 1,244 to trade, 1,345 to trade. So the higher capital, the higher profits. Look at this one, $1,163 to trade. So the higher capital, the higher profits. How you getting me? So, but you can see what people are making on a trade. If you calculate this 5,715, this is the dollar made here. Sorry, this thing you are seeing here is the dollar made. Is the number of dollar made. This is the PNL USD realized. So calculate that alone, and calculate that and multiply times 1,500 naira. 1,500. Imagine how much it is in naira. Imagine how many millions was made on a single coin, on a single trade. This futures trading very risky. The same thing made this amount of money can lose this amount of money also within that period of time. But calculate that and understand what that means. But that's not where I'm going. This is where I'm going. These are now my student on Forex class. Currently, this morning chatted me up. He said, my profit so far is $53.67. You can see it here, $53.07. Sorry. You know, what's up with their own problem now? You have to be, they can't just have a pause icon. So $53.67. But see what he wrote here. He said 1 week. Sorry. He said see where I circled here. He said 1 week. Now God and KCA I dey follow. See here. 1 week trade. Now God and KCI they follow. You only followed my signal. We don't trade more than once in a day. And I told him, oh, thanks sir for your consistency and everything. But see, he has made more than $50 just this week. Today is Thursday or so now, or Friday, what's it called? And he has made more than $53. $53 times 1.5. Guys, all these things are directly on my status. If I didn't show you this thing and I say, oh, no, maybe this guy is just making mouth and everything. These are live trading examples and live, what's it called? These are live examples that you can lay hold on yourself. So see what that guy made, $53, you can see $1,500. These are students from KCA. So when people are making money here, believe what we tell you. We are not joking. We are not joking. So if they are not on my status timeline now, you can see it's from KCA status timeline. I just showed you that right now. If you have my status timeline, you can check that right away. So no patience. No patience. When people does not have patience, I've already talked about that when talking about giving to emotions. They end up losing. Taking profit too early, it's the same thing as no patience. They end up losing early. Let losing position right too long. That's when they don't set stop loss. They end up losing money. Stop loss means when the price gets down to this point and I'm losing at this point, please get me out of the market. That's what stop loss means. Take profit means when the price gets to this point and the profit has reached this price, take me out of the market. Not sticking to a trading plan. You have a trading plan, you didn't stick to it, you end up losing. Not having trading journal, it's also a very bad habit. Have a trading journal to calculate all your losses and all your gain. Helps you know what works for you, which coin you have been trading, have been making profit. Trading trading journal goes a long way. Okay, I trade GNLD, I trade G ape and I make $20. Okay, ape $20. I trade this coin and I make $15. This one $15. It helps you know which coin is really profiting you and which coin you are so conversant with and what are the strategy you applied before taking that trade. So it helps you a long way, guys. It helps you a long way. So now let me share again some of I've shared students testimony with you. As we conclude today again, let me share more testimony of some of my students with you. You can see here KC student testimonial. You can see another student here, $10.47. You can see $21. These are live things that there's no argument. You can see $7.5. You can see this one here, just appreciating the good work. You can see here appreciating the good work. You can see here maximizing profit, and guys are just making money day in day out from KCA. And these are guys who are just like you, who intend to make money, like who have given themselves to it, and yet they make a whole lot of money by following the signals, by following the trading, by following the teachings, and things who have been of much benefit to them. So guys, now the last thing I want to talk about is, okay, thank you for staying tuned. That's last thing I want to talk about for this 3 days free class. God bless you. I really appreciate for listening and paying close attention. So these are all my social media handles. You can see me on Telegram, KC_King. This is my private chat, KC_King. You can my Twitter handle, my Binance handle, my Instagram handle, YouTube handle, and TikTok and likes in case you want to reach out to me. So these are all my handles. Now, the last part of it for today, which I believe many people have been asking me, sir, are you not going to allow us? Someone still asked me this morning, I've not even replied. Like, sir, please, everyone join your masterclass. Someone yesterday night, sir, your masterclass. Everybody's just, but I just keep quiet because that's not really the main thing to me. The main reason why we are here is that I want to give you an exposure to the world of crypto and let you know what it looks like and how you can make money. So that's why you are here. So, but this one might just be a addition. And for those who are not interested in the masterclass, you can just pause, close. Thank you for watching to this point. God bless you. It's been a nice time having you around. That's the reason why you joined. That's what I promised to offer. But for those who really want to press for that, I said, all these things, I want to learn practical. Theory is different from practical. All these things you've taught us are just theory. I want to learn the real practicals and start making money myself. I want to enter the market and start printing dollar like this one I've seen. Please, sir, what do I need to do? And how should I go with it? Now, KC VIP offers. These are all our VIP offers as far as crypto is concerned. These are all the offers. We have the crypto signal room lifetime. We have crypto signal room monthly. We have the mastery in technical analysis. We also have crypto HZ class for the beginners who want to learn how to trade and everything. So now this is the crypto signal room. It's going for $100 at the moment. This is the lifetime signal room. You join forever. You are not coming back. You join forever. You are not paying any renewal fee. When you are joining maybe monthly, I just want to pay for 1 month. Let me see how your signal is like. It's fine. You can pay for 1 month. It's $10. It's $10 for 1 month, but after 1 month we are going to remove you back. You have to pay again if you want to join again. So you can pay for 1 month, which is $10, and that one you can just, okay, let me see the signals he has been dropping. Maybe you just want to test the water and believe and check the depth of it. We are so confident, that's why we could offer monthly signals. If you are not confident what we are doing, you can't really offer monthly signals. If you join monthly and didn't make profit, you are not going to renew. My forex signal, there's no even lifetime. All of them are monthly and yearly. That's my forex. It's just because crypto was what I started with in my journey in the financial markets. So I've always run lifetime for the student, but my forex, you can't even see any lifetime. They are all installed. They are all, what's it called, periodical. They are all maybe monthly, yearly. If you are paying for 100 yearly, it's $100 on the forex signal, just yearly. So these are my plans, and all these things, they all come back with money back guarantees. Let me explain now. This crypto signal room lifetime is, when you join the signal room now, you'll be getting signals every day, aside exception of weekends. Saturday and Sunday, I don't trade on Saturday and Sunday. I believe it's one of my trading plan and my risk management strategy in order to minimize loss. I get me, and because the weekend market are highly manipulated and volatility is kind of low, so I don't trade weekends. On Saturday and Sunday exceptional. There are also some Saturdays I'll just give signals. Maybe I find out, okay, this looks to be like a gem who's going to pump in a long term. And in this crypto signal lifetime, or either monthly or lifetime, anyone you are joining, I drop gems like spot, like coin you can trade for, you can trade for long term, short term, mid term, futures trading signals you see there, ETF trading signals you see there, long term or spot you see there. A whole lot of signals are there. A whole lot of signals, not just futures trading signals alone. You get on short, you get on long, you get on something you want to hold for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Oh, I want to buy for bull run. This is where you get all the signals. My students have been telling them to just relax. Very soon I'll be releasing signals for the bull run. So, and also another advantage, another bonus that comes is that you have access to my lifetime mentorship. You are under my direct mentorship by joining what? The signal. You need questions, you want to encouragement, you want me to explain something to you, you want me to give you access to one of my videos, you have my direct mentorship. And aside from that, you also have the right, once in a while, hold a class once in a month with all my students, just exposing them to the market, teaching them question and answer one-on-one with me directly. Also, that's one of the things you tend to enjoy. If you are paying for monthly, also you enjoy all these benefits, but only for 1 month. But these people that are paying for $100 enjoy it forever. I'm not going to talk about this discount yet. Hold on, don't conclude yourself. Let me talk about it. So I'm still talking about this. So what is the KCA Mastering Technical Analysis Complete Guide on CA? This technical analysis. You see, some of you might not know what technical analysis is right now, but those who have been long in market know what technical analysis means. I have a complete video setup that I'm working on already that on technical analysis is going for $100. You have Fibonacci retracement, trend line, how to draw trend line, moving average, a lot more than I can't even count. As far as moving average, RSI, volume, trading with all those things, as far as technical analysis is concerned, it's all delivered in one video. And I'm selling for $100. This was some people are selling for $1,000. I'm selling for just $100. $100 complete guide on TA, trend line, indicators, Fibonacci retracements, head and shoulder pattern, all the part, everything directly. There are no videos copy and paste. There are videos done by me myself, all available on the technical analysis masterclass. It's going for just $100. We are just $100 currently. That's what it's going for. And we also have the crypto HZ class. This is a beginner guide. You don't need, if you are just starting crypto, you don't really need this. You may get confused. What you need is this. I get me. Crypto HZ masterclass. This teach you about futures trading, spot trading, ETF trading, all those things. I've teach you crypto jobs. You have access to all the videos, the practical things, how we are doing it, P2P merchants, all those things. You have access to everything on the HZ beginners guide. I get me. So you have access to all those things on the beginners guide, and you can begin to trade and start making money. And you can see one of the things I showed you on the WhatsApp status was from the HZ class. They even posted that result. Let me show you again. If I can still find that, the result was posted from the HZ class on KCA. Okay. Sorry. The guy that posted the one. See, this was from HZ class. This from the HZ class here. You can see a KCA HZ class. This one student, they're posting results. I get me from the HZ class. So we even dropped some market insight and like what. Don't forget, HZ class is not the same thing as the signal room. They are not the same thing at all. Some people said, so I've joined your HZ class. I'm not receiving signals. No, they are not the same thing. If you want to join signal room, they are two different things. If you want to just people that really just want to learn, they are not ready to join the signal room. And there's some people that want to join the signal room, yet they don't want to learn from me. They've learned somewhere else. All they just things that they need my signals. They need accuracy of. I think I even have more students who receive signals from that. More students who even learn from me. So some of them just say we've learned outside. We've seen the accuracy of your signal. We just want to follow your signals. They join the what? The lifetime. The signal room. They join this signal room. But learning, you can join the two together, which will help you. After you are done learning, you start trading. So you need signals to trade with. So And on this space also in the A2Z class, I give out signal, but not as frequent as I do here. They are just market insights, what I drop here. But this way you get direct signals. But now I'm going to be doing some things magical right on this point. So this A2Z class, you learn spot trading, ETF trading, futures trading, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. You want to learn fundamental analysis A to Z, how you do fundamental analysis, what to do, and all the courses here have been upgraded. And you also have access to my lifetime mentorship. By just A2Z class, you have access what to my lifetime mentorship where you have one-on-one class with we have one-on-one section with me. You ask questions, I explain to the inside of the market, and all the courses have been upgraded time to time. Whenever new things come out in the market, you upgrade it, add it to the course there. And when it's been added to the course there, you are not paying extra money. You've paid once, you've paid forever. So that's why you see this lifetime mentorship here for it. Are you getting me? The same thing with the mastery in technical analysis. This is a big guy course. They are big guys. It's big guys in the crypto space that need this one. They know what I mean. You that are getting this later on in the future, you may still need this. Are you getting me? So this one now, this mastery, when there is new indicators, new analysis, we still release them, we update them time to time, and this has really been a big win. Fast meanwhile on that KCA, you surely have your own testimony by joining KCA. So guys, the last thing we're doing with magical kind of today is that I want to give offers to as many students who are ready in between now and the next few minutes, between this 9 p.m. tonight to 9 p.m. tomorrow. That's in the next 24 hours. If you are joining the KCA crypto signal room directly lifetime, you'll be paying $50. Boom. And my own dollar rate currently that I'm giving out for students, I'm giving out at 1,000 and not 1,500. I don't want to make it too much for you. So my dollar exchange rate on KCA currently is just 1,000, not 1,500. The regular market. So we are just paying 50,000 naira, just 50,000 naira to join. Imagine what someone made. Even if this person pay $1,000, let me show you. Even if this person pay $1,000, I'm coming. Even if this person pay $1,000, see how much he has made here. This is almost $10,000 you are seeing here. Are you getting me? Almost $8,000. Even if you pay $1,000, it's not worth it compared to what he has made. See this person here this morning made 50 something thousand dollars. And what did he just do? Just joining the signal room. He didn't even learn from just signal was what he joined. And he ended up making that huge amount of money, guys. So there's no amount here that I paid that is what is a waste in learning all these things. And I can tell you this is one of your breakthrough and your way out of what? Poverty and the rest. So guys, and the last part of it I'll be telling you, don't mind me, I've mentioned last several times, is that all these courses you are seeing up here comes with this money back guarantee. 60 days money back guarantee. If you pay for any of my course and in the next 60 days you couldn't make your money back, that you pay after doing all that I asked you to do, condition, after doing all that I asked you to do, following all I asked you to follow, and you didn't make your money back, you can request back for any amount you pay me here. I'll pay your money back after following this process. After trading the signals I give, following the right thing I asked you to do, and you didn't make your money back, in 60 days, you can request back for your money. That tells you how sure I am of what I'm telling you. I'm telling you this one in public, so they are not hidden. You can quote me anywhere at any point in time that KCA said this, and you are sure of what I have mentioned here. So guys, this is where I'll stop for today. Thank you for joining this 3 days class, and I hope you're on your way to millions already, and I'm quite sure you're going to make your first million this year from trading crypto. You can see live experience, you can see students just in 1 week, $50 plus, just in one trade, over $1,000. That's already 1 million in one trade, one day. Not even 1 year. So why can't it be you? I don't have testimony of students who have made money from airdrops and likes. I have shown you as well, who have made millions and millions and millions. So I've shared many things from you. You can make money from ETF, from spot trading, from futures trading, from airdrop, from staking, from spot trading, buying to hold for long term, from liquidity, so many things. So in all these strategies I've shared with you, I think it's high time you stand up on your feet and start making money. It's high time you get up on your feet and say, oh, I will not just be here watching after all this thing I've heard. I'm going to take a positive step towards making my first 1 million in the year 2024. What is 1 million? 1 million just less than $1,000. So there's nothing really big about it. So why not wake up right now and start making the money? Thank you. God bless you. And thanks for joining this class. This is KCA. Love you guys. And if you want to chat me up, please, you can chat me up on WhatsApp 08162053748. That's my WhatsApp number directly. You are chatting to me directly. Whenever you chat up, you're chatting to me directly. I'll be the one to respond. But on Telegram also as well, I'll respond directly. t.mekc_king. I'm always there to respond. For any of these calls, well, these are all at 2024. We don't know what might be happening next time you are listening to this. But all these prices at 2024. If you are listening to it maybe 2025, you may not meet it at $100. You may be seeing it at $200, $300. So this just valid for the year 2024. Thank you guys. God bless you and have a wonderful day.